Today we're going to look at the within word pattern sort number 20. Our focus today is on the short U and a couple of long U spelling patterns. Let's take a look at our words. I'm going to read through these together, starting in the first column. We have blue, truth, chew, brush, junk, flew, crew, thumb, cube, dune, do, glue, true, stew, blue, and then our last column there, new, grew, trunk, do, fume, stuck, new, and do. Now we can see our headings at the top here. We have an EW spelling pattern and a UE spelling pattern. When we have the OO sound at the end of the word, normally it will have one of these two spellings. We can also have a long U with that magic E. There are a couple of other spellings for the OO sound you might be familiar with. The OO that we hear in fruit and OO as in boo, if you jump out to scare somebody. But those patterns are for another day. We're going to focus on the other ones today. Now, just some definitions for you. Looking here at dune, this is like a sand dune, kind of a sand hill. Crew refers to a group of people. You'll notice the word do on our list a couple of times, and we just want to look at the definition of those. We have dew, EW, that's moisture on the grass. Do with a UE, that's the time something needs to be done, or do as an action, as in you do something. A couple of different words here for blue. We have the color blue, but then also blue in terms of a force of air coming out of your mouth, in this case, to blow out some birthday candles. So we could say he blew out the candles. New without that silent K just refers to something being new, something you didn't have before. And new with the silent K is about knowing something. You know, he knew the answer. A couple of oddballs today. Do, D-O. This is oddball. We have the OO sound, but we don't have an OO spelling pattern. And same with true, truth. We hear the OO sound, but it looks like it should be a short U. Let's sort these into their columns. Let's start with the word blue, and we can see here that UE spelling pattern. The next one being grew with an EW spelling pattern. Truth. Now that's an OO, but it is our oddball. We just went over that one there. Dune, D-U-N. That magic E gives us the long U sound. Trunk, tr-a-nk. We have a short U sound in that one. Okay, moving on to chew, we see the EW there. Do, this was our other oddball. We get the OO sound, but we only have the one letter there. Do again with the UE. Now this is what time something needs to be done when we say do. Brush, brush, we hear the short U sound. Glue, UE. Fume, we have that magic E. Junk, J-A-N-K. We have the short U there. True, we can see a UE spelling pattern. Stuck, st-a-k. Stuck, short U. Flew, EW. Stew, EW. New, EW. Now, I know I had four in a row here of OO, EW, but it's important that you continue to sound out or read each of those words. It's one thing to look for the spelling pattern, but we want you to be able to read these words as well. Blue, we have an EW there as well. We're going to have to stack some of these up. Do, stacking up again. Thumb, back to a short vowel. New, EW, and cube with that magic E. And there is your sort for today.